Not a very hard garlic, it's a very loose one. Okay.
Aglio e olio. It's so romantic, isn't it? Aglio e olio. If only I could speak the language properly. Say it for me. Aglio e olio. I don't even know if I'm saying it right here. Garlic pasta, yeah? There's so many versions out there on YouTube, but this is my one. It's kind of my default meal when I don't have any food in the house. And it's a really cool one actually. And how I do it is I really emulsify the garlic into the oil. So a good splash of olive oil in my pan here. I mean a really good splash. And I've got, for I think 2 portions of pasta, I've got about 4 garlic cloves. Now the trick is not to brown them, not to burn them, just allow them to emulsify. So I've turned off the heat. This is the trick. See how hot it was in the beginning? And just let it emulsify into the oil and cool down. And if some of them are brown, like that particular one, tiny thin one there, take it out. Out you go.
So you're infusing the flavor of the garlic to the oil?
I am definitely infusing the flavor of the garlic to the oil, but I don't want to brown anything. I want it to go really soft. Soft and almost like sweet, because the garlic has like its own sweetness in it. Do you know what I mean? And just stay with it. And I've still got that heat off because it's still bubbling away.
So how do you know it's done?
Well, the garlic goes really soft. Right now it's not. It's still quite hard. I'll show you. Like you keep cooking, and as I put my spoon in, I'll put some on the board here and you'll see it, right? How soft it is. You just don't want to brown it. That's the only thing. This is how you know when it's cooked. So see how soft, hang on, let me get a piece out so you can really see. See how soft it is? Look, don't touch it, it's hot. But look at that. It's really soft and translucent, right? That's how you know when it's cooked.
Oh, okay. So I thought the only thing that garlic can do is like toughen up, you know, it's crispy and
no, oh my God, crispy, deep fried, grated, oh my God, shredded, emulsified like this. Look, it's really softening in here. Come on, do you want to see?
Great. Controlling the heat is very important here.
100%. You do not want to have any brown bits in there. You want it emulsifying into the oil. Look at me. Next step to this is I'm going to grab some parsley. A lot of people don't like parsley in their pasta, but I absolutely adore it. Just it freshens everything up, you know. And just cut it nice and fine like this. It's beautiful. It's even fresh when I'm cutting it. It just smells beautiful. And I love flat leaf parsley. It's just, it has its place, you know. Okay, just a little bit of it. And then, okay, you ready? Putting this back on the heat. And I'm gonna go a medium heat. I'm gonna wait till that bubbles a bit. And it's just starting to bubble. Now I'm gonna take the pasta, which is just cooked, with that little bit of water. Look at it, I'm holding it up high so you can see it. Oil and water, dangerous, be mindful. Straight in there. And you're gonna just toss that through. You've gotta be so quick with this one. Once again, a bit of pasta, a bit of water. It's on medium heat. Yum. Straight off the heat. Get this out of the way. This is a real great dish. I love it. Sorry, I'm having a moment. Need a plate. Maybe this one. Sorry. Oh, yummy. A little bit of cracked pepper, because we have it. That's Get me a fork, mate. Get me a fork. Let's go, people. Let's go. Do we have a fork? You want to try some? Come on, mate. Get in here. Oh my God.
Come again.
Oh. It's hot in here. I'm actually sweating. Okay. All right. Watch this. See the garlic? The garlic is all emulsified. Yeah, this is all emulsified. Like it's just, look at it.
Beautiful.
It's just coming apart. Oh, all right. Here we go.
Everybody should eat this actually.
Everybody's here is just kind of like thinking to themselves when you eat this. Blow. You know when you were a kid and your dad used to say blow before you eat? Did he used to say that?
No, my dad used to like slow down.
This is true. My dad would say hot, blow on your food. Okay. Bit more salt, yeah? Grab some salt. That's it, really.
Perfect pasta.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I would never eat that. I would never buy that at a restaurant unless it's a really good restaurant. Because once you do it yourself, you're like, the parsley's nice, right? Winning.